In this video, I'll show you the best way to disable Auto Start Stop in your GMC Canyon or Chevrolet Colorado. We begin by opening the glove box and squeezing the sides inward to fully lower the door. Use a flashlight to locate the connector at the back of the Auto Start Stop switch assembly. Use a small flat screwdriver to disengage the red secondary lock on the connector. Hold the lanyard while inserting the provided connector removal tool into the connector as shown. Place your right index finger on the top side of the tool and your thumb at the base of the connector. Wiggle the connector gently until it releases. When the latch clears, the connector will release easily. Use finesse, not force. Here's a better view of the process. Once detached, pull the harness into the glove box opening and connect the Autostop Eliminator to the harness. Attach the electronics housing to the harness using the included zip tie. Remove the excess from the zip tie. Plug the other end of the Autostop Eliminator into the switch assembly. Raise and close the glove box door. It's that easy to disable Auto Start Stop in your GMC Canyon or Chevrolet Colorado.